Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to paint water reflection in watercolor. Step by step process. Hope you will enjoy the process. Please watch my full video. I already sketched the composition. This is a harbor scene, two big house and some boats you can see. At first I paint with yellow color the houses, and I also paint the sky with yellow ochre but lots of water. And now I will paint with ultramarine blue. This is first layer. I will do wet in wet. I lift some color from the house because ultramarine blue enter on the house color. Now I am using yellow color in water because when I will paint the reflect of the house, the lighted part always reflect in water the house's color. So now I paint the yellow color on there where the light reflect. Okay, my first layer already done. Now I have to wait until the paper is dry, and I paint some waves too. Now the wait for the paper dry. Okay, now the paper already dried. Now I am painting the shadow area of the house, the light coming from north side. So the shadow will be there. I am using burnt sienna mixed with cobalt blue. Do it carefully. I will lift the board's color white. Paint very carefully, either color will be enter the boards. This paper is 230 GSM. This is a normal cartridge paper. For watercolor, 300 GSM always be better. Now I am painting the second house. Use multicolor when you paint the dark shadow. Try to use multicolor. This will create a looks like better. I use some solid lake on the house and some deep color using the windows, painting some windows. I doing it in wet because this is shadow part, so don't need so much details. Try to paint the windows on wet in darkest area. This is the final touch for houses. I would not paint the lighted part because I have to show the sunlight on the house, so I left that side. Now I am painting very lightly the boards I use some multicolor very lightly. Now the left side buildings, these are coming. I will paint the left side building much dark because this is totally the opposite of sunlight. And the harbor is surrounded by two sides and full buildings, so this is a dark place. And now I will paint the reflection. Beginners, please watch the full video, and after that you also try it at home. Hope you will learn the technique and apply in your painting. And if any problem, you can message me or comment me in my video, and also comments if you like the video, and subscribe my channel, then you can see my others painting lesson.